Hi everyone! Today I'm going to be making Hawaiian Macaroni Salad. Here's what you need for the macaroni Hawaiian salad. 8 ounces of elbow macaroni, cooked as per package and then rinsed in cold water. I haven't done that yet. 1 20-ounce canned pineapple chunks, drained, with 1/4 cup liquid reserved. 2 cups cubed cooked ham, and I figured brown sugar ham would be perfect for the Hawaiian salad. 1/2 cup shredded carrot. 4 green onions thinly sliced. 1/2 cup mayonnaise. 1/4 cup sour cream. 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar. 1 tablespoon sugar. 1/2 teaspoon salt. So let's begin. So you want to take a big bowl, dump in your macaroni, your pineapple chunks, your shredded carrots, your green onions, and I added a little extra green onions to mine, and your ham. Give it a mix and set it aside. Then take a smaller bowl with your reserved pineapple juice, the mayonnaise, the sour cream, the vinegar, the sugar, and the salt. And then go ahead and whisk it until it is thoroughly combined. Then you take your big bowl of the macaroni mix and add the dressing. And then go ahead and mix that thoroughly. And then put it in the refrigerator until it is chilled and ready to serve. We're going to have this for supper, so it'll be in the refrigerator for a few hours. All right, so here is the Hawaiian macaroni salad. And rounding out the meal is citrus chili chicken. Now this sauce that is on the chicken is the same sauce that I put on my citrus roasted salmon. And I'll put the card up above on that. I'll go ahead and get my husband to do a taste test.
This is mine. This is good. What's the sauce?
Sour cream and mayonnaise and apple cider vinegar.
Well, chicken's good too.
That has the same sauce as what the salmon had on the other night.
Okay. Did you do that in your video?
No.
You need to.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.